Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make great burgers. First, select ground beef with an 80-20 fat ratio for optimal juiciness and flavor. Gently form your patties, aiming for about 1 inch in thickness. Remember to make a small thumbprint indentation in the center of each patty to prevent them from bulging during cooking. Next, season your patties generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the heat. Cook them on a hot grill or in a cast iron skillet to get that amazing sear. For the best crust and juiciness, resist the urge to flip them multiple times. Just one flip is all you need. Now, let's talk about the finishing touches. Always toast your burger buns. It adds a fantastic texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Layer on fresh toppings such as crisp lettuce, ripe tomato, and thinly sliced onion. Don't forget to melt a slice of your favorite cheese onto the patty during the last minute of cooking. Finally, allow your delicious burgers to rest for a few minutes after cooking. This helps the juices redistribute, keeping them incredibly moist. Serve them up with classic sides like golden, crispy fries or a refreshing side salad. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your perfectly crafted burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.